here today. I'm gonna show you how to boil eggs. Right now, I got my pot. And fill it up with water. Turn the stove on high and let the water come to a boil. Now, as it's starting to boil, you come over here. Some of y'all already have y'all eggs in there and y'all doing it wrong. You're supposed to let the water boil first. Then you come with a spoon, like that, and gently slide the egg down in there, like that. Then you might come back over into another one. Sometimes you get it. And gently place this in there without cracking it. Now, come back 10 or 15 minutes, they'll be completely done. Now come back. I know I said 15 minutes, but it's been just about 10 minutes. See that boil right there? That's what you're looking at. And you know that should be nice and good. The proper way to do it, like I said, you boil the water first before placing the eggs in there. And once you get that nice boil like that, then you place the eggs in there. It takes less time to cook. Instead of placing them right in there, right when you put the water in there, you don't do it that way. Then you take your pot, you come drain that water up off of it. See that? You come over here, you hit it with cold water. The cold water shocks it to make the shells come off easy. See that? Cold water. Now, until your egg is done, that's what I told my daughter a long time ago. You take the egg out and you spin it. Like that. If you get a raw egg and try to spin it, it won't roll. It won't spin. That's how you know it's done. That's how you boil eggs properly.